Aitutuoro na nesi obu odau aparasha auni ido ojaikina oterilo North East Villa o districta alo kumi ne anyara untere itungalu egelegela imoriaritos arotakie muto engare nokulu iriongita alu eruchokina kede itungalu okwap politicians Apollo ikinitok ia piesin ka igurupunulu Angor kalu Atumunak. Ayaiton eriongetelo Women's Democracy Network Uganda peri aritwa nesi inerit apele kinetanu aitutuoro kana ebe erai aigang aitogogong aitetenar kai tolomun iriongetalu itunga alu ko Uganda itoso maete arotak iye mutok oya piesin oruchokina kede engare nokolu esekunitai anu aitopol itungalu ibumakina aiboisho kech.
We have been implementing this project in West Nile for about 7 years. So we thought let's transfer some of the best practices that we have seen in terms of citizens and civic leaders and politicals and administratively are taking action to really improve services. So we thought it would be timely to have some of those best practices shared in Kumi and also with the media, because we have benefited a lot from having the media on board in terms of, civic awareness, in terms of calling, ensuring that there are platforms that are provided for the leaders to explain the plans, the budget, and also to give accountability back to citizens.
Iche Kotoma tungalu opotu odumutu aitutuoro imoriaritos Bernard Israel emolu lo agwoikit Atumunak nesi abala ebe esishau ngesi eiponelo araut engarenonlo ajokan. Osodi Alice Iwelu aswamana Action Aid kumi nesi ebala ebe arai erono ejautenelo engarenok Mam Apple ejaun.
Ajoko Akiro rajasinelo anyona parana sodi tona paranolo na washa ishishata siboroliku enautesha nikimiso epone la route engareno la jokan pona ni pugaje kontunga epone ni ngara kinajitunga adumuni services la jokan na sodi ishishata sebe route engareno la jokan kotojo right wele ni pedori apuponkin aneja situngali utajo aina kini services
Kotoma Akiro sishawe engareno accountability isiborele Kotoma Akiro kere misoma ara ebo sitengareno mamibone beta chawo anyele nesabogi ara mame injilelo salostojo akoloka bogi ni kero kaun sete so otomo ngareno neselomnata au misho otunga eselomuna eyaitenelejo neselomunata Akiro kerene busakinti atubete adomo nare yaitine nesi euta alemuna misho kuju anyakuwa kumetunga.
Kanuka TV East Leya Iolu Eipugae 10